Guys, double deception. That's since we changed our name. So what we're going to be doing is a revised soaping method. So I'll first show you one that is soaped. So this is an A stack here. I put the Chick-fil-A sticker on the back. So there's one that's soaped. Right? Get one more fan there. How nice this came out. And they started like, take the jokers out, this. So you see there's a major difference there, right? So now what we're going to be doing is we actually soap this one with the new soaping method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put soap on the edges of the cards. So let's put everything up there. You can see it's starting to get a little bit more like a whitish color. And other side, oh, that got dirty from the table. Should still work, but I'm shaking the table now. Heavily soaping all over the edges of the cards. And you see what the soap's done to it.
This is the new soap
faster.
too.
Yeah, this is the newer soap that we're trying with it.
It's called the Beauty.
Yeah, Beauty Sleep. Doesn't help, but
yeah.
I didn't try it, but
we don't know if it works or not. So
for the Beauty Sleep.
Yeah. We don't know if it works for the cards well.
Well, no,
so.
we have. I think that's the one I used for this one. Look at the stuff left. It's kind of cold.
It's not kind of cold. It's pretty cold.
Somewhat, yeah. It's left it all over my hand too. So at first the cards may get a little bit worse, and then after you get it mixed in,
fan it.
Yeah, it may get. Yeah, it got worse for now. You can see there's improvements in each little block. Alright, so you add a few more faros, rub it in some. Also, sometimes it helps get warmer. We're outside where it's not so warm, so
it's really cold.
Yeah, and it's spring now, so that's kind of confusing.
Wait, is it spring?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm. There we go. It's starting to fan better now. As you can see, it's starting to get better. A few more faros. Just trying to get some of that excess soap off. You can see little pieces flying out there.
Yeah, the new soaping method is like really
it's faster to put the soap on it.
Yeah,
much faster.
Because I saw one of your comments was that you don't want to see me put an X on every single card.
Yeah.
And yeah, well, the reason I did that was because
you wanted to actually show that it was.
I didn't really know how to do a time lapse, so I just left it like that. But so yeah, this is much faster and yeah.
So yeah, see how it's already starting to get better. The more you use it, the better it will get. You may have to put soap on it again after a while. They're already starting to faro better too. So let me show you one more time there. That's what it looks like now. Alright, so if you want, you can rewind the video and look at what it looked like at the beginning compared to now. Oh, you see the other one again? Wow, now that I've set it down, it doesn't look so good. Alright, so yep, that's the Dove Go Fresh Beauty Bar of soap.
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.